This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by rear-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, push-button start, leather seats, satellite radio, steering wheel controls, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.